Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials, now start the process. First, confirm your account status and enable 2FA so you don't hit verification blocks. Next, collect your account and device identifiers, username, numeric ID, and platform, because most beta forms require them. Finally, navigate straight to the official beta sign-up or the in-app beta toggle and submit the minimum required fields. This begins your request. Once done, note any confirmation number and expected wait window so you can track progress. Once your initial submission is recorded, finish the detailed application with accuracy because mismatches delay approvals. Include device specs and select the correct platform, and opt into crash reporting and feedback if you want faster support access. After submission, watch your email carefully. Verify any confirmation links and accept terms within the stated timeframe to activate enrollment. If you're in multiple programs, make sure you selected the right channel so you receive the correct build and communication stream. You're at the finish line. Install the beta using the exact link, code, or store opt-in provided and follow platform-specific installation steps. Once installed, register on the designated feedback channel, Discord issue tracker, or in-app, and submit clear, reproducible bug reports with steps and logs so developers can act. If installation or access fails, clear cache, re-authenticate, try an alternate device, and then contact support, including your confirmation ID and logs. That single troubleshooting tip will resolve most access problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.